Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Tim McCourt, Global Head of Equity Index and Alternative Investment Products with CME Group. Tim, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Great to be here.
And it's a big day for CME Group as well as the digital asset community with the launch of Ethereum futures. Tim, tell us more about that.
Yeah, we launched the Ether futures today, so very exciting. It's off to a great day one. We've had a few hundred contracts trade, a little about over 350 contracts traded so far today. The multiplier is 50 Ether, so we're looking at almost 18,000 equivalent volume of Ether in terms of the individual token. And it's really been a lot of fun. The team has had great success with Bitcoin futures. We launched Bitcoin options last year and really excited to introduce our third cryptocurrency product to the market today.
Yeah, it really is quite incredible, Tim. And of course, today is momentous in a way when we get the announcement of Tesla adding $1.5 billion of Bitcoin to its portfolio. So, I mean, you couldn't have timed this better.
Yeah, I wish we could take credit for the timing, but sometimes these things happen in the market. The Bitcoin futures also reached an all-time high today at 45,500 on the back of that news. And it's just another continued momentum around cryptocurrency. When we look at Bitcoin, we're also coming off our best month ever with Bitcoin futures trading over 17,500 contracts per day in January. So the momentum around cryptocurrency has been great, continues to facilitate customer adoption, and really excited for not only what Bitcoin traders and investors have, but now with Ether, really excited to see what the next few months and weeks bring.
And Tim, explain to the audience, how would investors use Bitcoin or Ether futures within their portfolio?
That's a great question. So there's a few different ways, and I would say the basic ways are you could use the futures as an access product. If you want to invest into the cryptocurrency, but you don't necessarily want to handle the digital asset, futures are a great choice for institutional or sophisticated active individual traders, where they could invest via the future. The future financially settles. So on Bitcoin, it's worth 5 Bitcoin. Ether is worth 50, as I was saying a few moments ago. But just like other futures contracts, it's also a hedging. It's a risk management tool. So if you think about it, if you're involved natively in the cryptocurrency space, maybe you're holding Bitcoin or Ether, holding the digital asset, you can also use futures as a hedge, where both contracts now offer you 6 monthly contracts in the 2 nearest Decembers. So there's quite a bit of term structure as well to handle some of that longer term risk. And of course, Bitcoin options. So really natural access or a hedge to existing portfolio positions.
All right, Tim, congratulations on the launch. Great to see you as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks.